Hi everyone, I'm Dmitry Rojov and you're watching the VideoSchool drums step by step. So let's move on to the seventh part, jazz swing coordination. The seventh step will be broken down into several video segments. We will also adhere to the concept of from simple to complex. In the initial video segment, we will proceed with fundamental rhythmic exercises on coordination and make use of different note groupings. 1 note, 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes, 5 notes, 6 notes, and all possible variations connected to the right cymbal, including different rhythms, dynamics, and accents. This video is an actual discovery for beginners who desire to master jazz technique, as we commence from the very beginning and gradually make it more complex and challenging. Please note that all exercises are played with triplet pulsation. This is suitable for slow, medium, and fast tempos. For very fast tempos, the sound of the right cymbal changes, meaning it is played completely differently, and the sound is somewhat straightened out. There are no triplets used there, regular 16th notes are used there. We will break this down in the following parts of the seventh step. So what do we need to do to achieve the best result? In the video, I play exercises at a fast tempo and then at a slow tempo. At a fast tempo, I play so that you understand how it should sound. At a slow tempo, for you to understand how it's all coordinated, which beats fall in between, and which ones overlap. All of this will be clearly visible. Also pay attention to the notes. I recommend practicing in this way. When playing all exercises, make sure to perform them slowly at one tempo. Your goal is to achieve a dynamic sound with pulsation and accentuation, even at a slow tempo. So, let's begin. Start by learning to play the right cymbal in a way that creates a swing pulsation. In all instances, the cymbal paradise should sound like this. Please note that when we play quarter notes, they all go at the same volume level of intensity. When we play double strokes, the initial double stroke is played with a slightly lower intensity than the second one. This means the second stroke of the double stroke sounds in line with all the quarter notes. Learn about double strokes in the intro of the video school. Let's start playing exercises, beginning with single strokes. So, we lost playing different single notes. Moving on, we play in pairs of 2 notes. Awesome! We played variations in pairs of 2 notes. Let's go on. Now we play in sets of 3 notes. So we mastered grouping in sets of 3 notes. Let's move on. We're playing in sets of 4 notes. Great! We've added 4 notes to the repertoire. 5 notes. So when you lose all exercises with the right cymbal and left foot on the hi-hat, you will need to play these same exercises with an open hi-hat. Since you already have this coordination developed, you just need to adapt looking at the notes. To achieve this, I'll give you a short explanation. It's simple. Let's examine the ride cymbal part. We open the hi-hat on quarter notes. On the next 8th note, we close the hi-hat. We perform the solo section on the snare drum and bass drum exactly as indicated in the musical notation. So we have discussed the fundamental triplet exercises for swing. Let's proceed to the next topic. Moving on to the second video part of the 7th step. There we will be breaking down stroke combinations on the snare drum and bass drum.